Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can block someone on the Facebook page, because sometimes we receive a lot of message on the Facebook page and we want to block that contact which sends unnecessary message on the Facebook page. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Facebook application and then you will see three lines on top right. Click on it and you will see gear options. Click on it and then you will see page setting options. Click on it and then scroll down the page and you will see blocking options. Click on it and here you can see add to block list options. Click on it and then search the contact which you want to block. For example, I want to block this person's, so you can see the options of block. Click on it and here you can see confirm options, so click on it. So in this way you can block anyone on the Facebook page. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.